This is Kenny the Handyman here, and today I'd like to show you how to test the hardness of your water so that you can properly set the hardness of your water conditioning equipment. So here we have my water softener, and it is currently set for a hardness of, let's see, 30 grains per gallon. That's how hard we're saying this water usually is. So I just want to verify that, in fact, the water is at that hardness level. So we're going to fill up a little beaker, test beaker like this, and we're going to fill this up with the water right from the source before it becomes hardened. So we'll turn on the water spigot and get a fresh water sample. Let it run for a couple of seconds. And fill up the test beaker. And then we're going to pour that test beaker into this mixing flask. Then the instructions tell us to use, there are 3 different chemicals we're going to be using. So this first hardness chemical, number 1, we're going to be putting 3 drops into our container. And then this hardness solution number 2, we put another 3 drops into the container. Okay, now that turns the solution, and we swirl it, turns the solution red. So this is where you're going to be counting the number of drops you put in with hardness solution number 3. And the number of drops that you put in that it takes to turn the solution from red to blue is how hard your water is. So if our water conditioning equipment is set properly, it should take 30 drops to turn the color of this flask. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting to turn a little bit, but it's turning back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It turns back after I shake it. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's getting there. 26, 27, 28. Oh, it turned. So 28. So that's pretty close to the 30. So it turned from red to blue here. 28 drops. So that's 28 grams per gallon of hardness is what our water currently is at. So what I should do is set my water conditioning equipment back to 28 to adjust for the hardness that it is currently at. Hope that helps.